Welcome to today's meditation. I'm Chibs Okereke, and I know how it feels when the weight of the day feels too much. But whatever's going on in your life right now, it's okay to set it aside for the next few minutes. Whether you're feeling anxious, frustrated, or if you simply need some quick relief from the day's stress, this is your opportunity to reset. By the end of today's meditation, there'll be less stress in the body and mind, and you'll feel calmer, more centered, and ready to move forward with a sense of ease. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever feels best. Most people feel more relaxed by closing the eyes, but for some of us, especially when we're stressed, the nervous system can sometimes go into high alert when we close our eyes, and our mind can get even busier. So feel free to crack open the eyes slightly to let some light in if thoughts or emotions become too uncomfortable. I invite you now to bring awareness to the breath. Without trying to change anything, just noticing how the body's naturally breathing. With each inhale, breathing in calm, and with each exhale, feeling the weight of the day leaving the body, releasing anything we no longer need. Noticing whether it's a slow breath or a rapid breath, a deep breath or a shallow breath. Whatever we find, the breath is perfect just as it is. And if you notice your mind drifting off into thought, whether it's replaying the past, worrying about the future, or running through your to-do lists, that's perfectly normal. Our minds are wired to have these kinds of thoughts, especially when there's stress in the body. So when you catch yourself lost in thought, please don't be hard on yourself. Instead, I want you to gently and patiently guide your attention back to the breath and simply pick up where you left off. Back to that next inhale. Back to that next exhale. Good. Now, let's allow the awareness of breathing to move into the background, and let's shift our awareness to the body. We're going to do a gentle scan through the body, beginning with the feet and then moving up to the head. Let's begin by bringing our awareness to the feet, noticing how they feel. As you breathe in, imagine the air making its way down to the feet. And as you breathe out, imagine the feet sinking into the ground, allowing the feet to relax fully. Moving our attention to the legs now, the calves, the shins, the thighs. As we breathe in, feel the air making its way down to the legs, and with each exhale, allowing the muscles to soften, like a wave of relaxation gently washing over the legs, easing away any tension. Shifting awareness to the hips and pelvis. This is an area where many of us carry tension without even realizing it. As we breathe in, feel the breath moving into the hips. As we exhale, seeing if we can release that tightness, allowing the hips to sink lower, supported by the earth beneath us. And now, bringing our attention to the back, the lower, middle, the upper back, the spine. With each breath, feeling the back gently expanding and softening, the muscles releasing. And now focusing on the shoulders. We often carry the weight of the world here. So as we exhale, allowing the shoulders to drop away from the ears, melting down like snow softening under the sun. Bringing our awareness to the neck and jaw. This is another place where tension likes to hide. Allowing the jaw to unclench, the neck to soften, as if we're loosening a knot that's been gently holding tension. And finally, let's expand our awareness to the entire body, feeling the whole body resting, grounded, and at ease. Imagining ourselves connected to the earth beneath us, fully supported, as if we are one with the calm, steady rhythm of nature. And as we come to the end of this meditation, gently bringing our awareness back to the space around us, feeling the sensation of the surface beneath us, feeling the temperature of the air on our skin, noticing the sounds inside the room, sounds outside the room. There's no rush. We're taking our time to come back. Whenever we're ready, we can slowly open our eyes, or we can remain here resting in this sense of peace for as long as we need. You've taken a wonderful step in caring for yourself today. Thank yourself for showing up, for creating this space of rest and ease. As you move through the rest of your day, remember that this place of calm is always available to you. No matter how busy life gets, no matter the challenges you face, your breath is always here to guide you back to a place of calm. Have a wonderful day.